In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the Aarow 109 in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into your gunsmith and go specifically into the camo section down in the very bottom and go to this multiplayer tab right here. Now this is going to include all of the challenges that you need to complete in order to end up with Shattered Gold at the very end, which looks very cool here on this rocket launcher. These first 9 camos right here are going to be your 50 kill streak destructions. There's only 50 of them in total, which is pretty nice. But this is kind of annoying to go ahead and do. But I will say the best method for knocking these out is going to be playing objective based game modes, because that is where people are going to be getting the most score streaks. UAVs, counter UAVs are obviously the easiest to go in and shoot down. I would recommend aiming for those first. But really, anytime you see a score streak in the air or even something on the ground, go ahead and use this to knock it out. This is probably going to be what takes you the longest, because honestly these special ones are not that bad. For the first one, which is Diamondback right here, you're going to need to destroy 10 aerial score streaks. This is just kind of the exact same thing, except it's more specific. You gotta aim for those aerial ones, not ground ones. UAVs, counter UAVs are the easiest. Continue playing Domination or Hardpoint. Raptor is probably the hardest camo that you're going to have to finish off. It's essentially just 10 direct hit kills with the Aarow 109. Essentially, once again, play Hardpoint, Domination. The best thing I would do is recommend playing Hardpoint, just because people are moving in and out of the Hardpoint more consistently. Just aim that rocket launcher into that Hardpoint or that Domination zone, shoot it in, and you should be able to knock these out in total, probably in just one match if you're getting lucky. Moving on to mainframe though, you got to get 10 score streaks, vehicles, equipment, field upgrades. This is essentially the exact same thing, and you just got to destroy 10 of them total. So once again, just destroy more score streaks. Even equipment is super convenient, so if you see anything on the ground, just go ahead and knock it out. And once again, you should be able to knock this out in 1 to 2 games max. Finally, moving on to Shattered Gold, you got to get 3 kills in a single match 10 times, meaning you're going to have to play 10 different matches and get kills with this weapon to knock this out. It is kind of tedious. I don't know why they set this camo up like this, but essentially just do the exact same thing that we use to get the Raptor camo right here, but do it to get Shattered Gold 10 different times. It takes a long time. It's still not as bad as getting 50 score streak kills though. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.